So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix Find My iPhone grayed out. So first of all, open the settings app. Now here, tap on your profile. Now as you can see here, Find My is grayed out. So let's see how you can fix it. First of all, go back. Now here scroll down and then tap on screen time. Now scroll down and then tap on this option. After this, tap on location services. Now tap on allow changes. Now go back. After this, open location services again. Now enable this toggle next to location services. And now tap on share my location. Now here tap on find my iPhone. And now enable this toggle next to find my network. Now go back and then go back again. Now in the main settings menu, scroll up and here tap on your profile. And now as you can see here, Find My is working on the iPhone. So this is how you can fix Find My iPhone grayed out. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.